Just unbelievable splits. 23.3 going out, 26.7. What does that mean? His first 50, obviously faster than anybody else, but also his second 50, way faster than anybody else. Trenton Julian was 26.9. He was the closest. Everybody else is 27 plus. In the prelims, his world record, 49.50.
Part of that great run that he had in Korea and Gwangju in 2019 that we talked about with the Worlds.
0.62. Tom Shields was really slow off the block. 0.72. So he's going to have to make it up here this first 15, 20 meters to get himself back into it. There's Shields right beneath him. He was that second Olympian in 2016 with Phelps.
And Dressel out in 23.31. That's faster than he went out this morning.
Yeah, right at it. Right at it. I think he's going to swim this race very smart. I don't think he's going to take any chance. He doesn't need to let it sail. He's got a tough double tomorrow. Conserve, conserve, conserve. He'll win it by a body length.
Dressel in 4 ahead of Shields by about that body length. Good move by Coleman Stewart in lane 6. And Caleb Dressel just a quarter of a second past his world record mark of 49.5. He has broken the U.S. Open record. That's the fastest swim in American water, and that is the 3rd fastest swim ever in this event. Times 1, 2, and 3 all belong to that man.
He never ceases. It's going to be the same way with Caleb, but he just flies off the block. I mean, he looks like he's launching off a peg, doesn't he look?
Yes, great description.
We're both laughing about it.
Yes.
And then he takes 6 kicks before he explodes to the surface right there. 23.3 going out, 26.4 coming back. That's 0.8 faster than anybody else coming back. It's just a thing. I think I've said this like 8 times.
Say it a 9th time.
I'll say it a 9th time.
Yeah.
A thing of beauty. And 49.76, 26/100ths off his world record. And it didn't look like he was going to be that close. And now he did put his head down and didn't breathe the last 3 or 4 strokes. And he told Michelle earlier that he breathed into the wall. I think that's one reason why he went a little faster. And finishes on a full stroke. That's important too.
He had the fastest swim in American water this morning in the prelims. Told Michelle, I've got work to do, clean up the finish a little bit. So that's what Rowdy's talking about. That's a little bit of that, quote, cleanup. And so he has shaved yet a little more time off of when he was swimming this morning in this event. Now can he shave a little more time off tomorrow night and set a world record? He missed by 26/100ths of a second, but clearly big margin over Tom Shields, first and second. The 8 times to advance will start with Dressel on through Shields and Stewart, Kovac, Julian, Orlando, Harding, and